Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to set up gift wrapping as an option on Etsy because you can do that and charge a little extra fee for it. And especially going into the holiday season, this might be a good thing to do for certain categories so that people can buy a gift and actually get it gift wrapped from you so that you can send it directly to the person that it's intended for when they're giving a Christmas present. Now, I will say to remember that if this happens and someone says they want the gift wrap, you have to send it to the address on the order. So when they fill out their order, they have to put the correct address that they want you to send it to. Don't change the address. If somebody sends you a convo and says, I need you to send it to this address instead, number one, that's a common thing for scammers to do. But during the holidays, people tend to do that because they don't check the address and they just say, oh, I'll just contact them and have them change it. But when you do that, it voids the Etsy purchase protection program. You have to send it to the address on the order. So if that happens and a customer writes to you and says, I need you to change the address, it's a gift, you need to have them reorder it, just cancel the original order, reorder it with the correct address, and just tell them it's because the purchase protection program requires that to be the same address on the order that you send it to. So let's go into Etsy. I'm going to show you how to set up the gift wrapping options. And really the hardest part is deciding how much to charge. We are in my dashboard, and the way to get to gift wrapping options is to go to your settings and options and scroll down a little bit and it will say offer gift wrapping. Now there's also offer gift message. If you don't want to offer gift wrapping, you can always just check this. And then if people check out, they can put a little message and it prints out on the gift receipt, or you can just write it in handwriting on the note, whatever you do. But for me, it prints out on the gift receipt. I put it in the package and it's done. If you want to offer gift wrapping where you can write a specific message, what you do is click enable and set price. And then Etsy recommends $4. So they say $4 is about average of what people, spend for gift wrapping. But if depending on how you wrap it, that might not cover the cost of your materials. I would suggest that you go to the dollar store and get some gift bags, because personally, I am okay at wrapping packages if I take my time. I don't have time to wrap a whole bunch of packages and charge $4 for it. So if you go to the dollar store and get some basic gift bags, you can decorate them if you want with rubber stamps or drawn, I don't know, or just leave them plain. Then you can just put the thing in it, put a piece of tissue paper in it that you also get at the dollar store, and then send it to the person who's the gift receiver. It's not that difficult, and it looks better if you're a terrible gift wrapper. It looks better to do that than to try to wrap a gift in a horrible way. And it also will just save you time. So you set the price and then you type in here, and I've just added in, I'll put it in a white gift bag with or maybe you can just take off white and put gift bag, because that way you don't have to worry about finding white gift bags over and over. I'll put it in a gift bag with a piece of tissue paper and add a message on a gift tag. Okay, so you can keep it basic. You can do whatever you want. And the dollar stores tend to have gift bags in packages of more than one, so it's not even going to cost you $1. All right, so there's that. And then you can take a picture of it and put it here if you want to set an example so people know what it's going to look like. And then if you're going to add the gift tag thing, make sure that you put enabled, because that way they can add the message on the receipt, and then you can handwrite it on a little tag, attach it to the gift bag, put the tissue paper in it, and you're done. All right, so that's how you do that. But the thing to remember is that you want to make sure that you're covering your costs and your time. So add everything up to figure out if you can afford to do this, figure out if you have time to do it. Not everyone is going to choose this option, so it's usually pretty safe. It might add a little bit of weight to your packaging. It might add a little bit of time to your process, but it also adds a little bit of income for you. So just make sure that you're doing that. And also remember that you're going to be charged fees on this, including the offsite ads fee if that kicks in, the transaction fee, everything is charged on this amount. So just price it accordingly for yourself. Leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.